Good morning, good evening, good night, whatever time it is, where you are. Hey, this is Tyrone Henderson here, and I want to talk to you about uh, business opportunity that making me money every day and through my mailbox. It is right here. It's Magic Money mailbox. Magic Money 200. Magical Money 200. That's making money in my mailbox every day. And you could do the same thing. Uh, every time you sign up, you get $200. And every time you get somebody to sign up, you get $200 in your mailbox. And five postage stamps. Just imagine 205 people coming to your to sign up under you. That's $1,000 and a lot of stamps coming to you, man. And imagine 10 people signing up to that's $2,000 a lot of stamps. I don't know how much stamps is that, but it's a lot. So if you want to know, just when you get started, your name will go right here in box number two. So,